Shrimp fried rice is a popular Chinese-American dish that is easy to make at home. This delicious and flavorful dish can be made with just a few ingredients and is perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal. In this article, I will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to make shrimp fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked white rice, ½ pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 small onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 small carrot, diced, ½ cup frozen peas, 2 eggs, beaten, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook the rice. The first step in making shrimp fried rice is to cook the rice. You can use leftover rice from a previous meal or cook a fresh batch. To cook the rice, combine 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 18 to 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and the water has been absorbed. Once the rice is cooked, set it aside to cool. Cook the shrimp. Next, heat a large skillet or wok over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to the skillet and swirl to coat the bottom. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are pink and cooked through. Once the shrimp are cooked, remove them from the skillet and set them aside. Cook the vegetables. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of vegetable oil and swirl to coat the bottom. Add the diced onion and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the onion is translucent. Add the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds or until fragrant. Add the diced carrot and frozen peas and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Scramble the eggs, push the vegetables to the side of the skillet and add the beaten eggs to the other side. Use a spatula to scramble the eggs until they are cooked through. Once the eggs are cooked, mix them in with the vegetables. Combine the ingredients, add the cooked rice to the skillet and stir to combine with the vegetables and eggs. Add the cooked shrimp to the skillet and stir to combine. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of soy sauce over the rice mixture and stir to combine. Add salt and pepper to taste. Finish and serve. Cook the shrimp fried rice for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until heated through. Once the rice is heated, remove the skillet from heat and serve immediately. Tips: to make this recipe even easier, you can use pre-cooked shrimp that have already been peeled and deveined. If you like your shrimp fried rice to be spicier, you can add some red pepper flakes or sriracha sauce to the skillet along with the soy sauce. You can also add other vegetables to the skillet such as bell peppers, mushrooms, or broccoli. It is important to use cold cooked rice in this recipe. Freshly cooked rice will be too moist and sticky and will not fry up properly.